Hey guys, welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. Today's video is about subsequence. So given two strings s and t, return true if s is a subsequence of t or false otherwise. Subsequence of string is a new string that is formed from the original string by deleting some characters without disturbing the relative positions of remaining characters. So ace is a subsequence of A, B, C, D, E, while A, E, C is not. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to make a directory 392 is subsequence. So 392. Solution.py. This subsequence return true. Imagine, big optimist. Solution dot this subsequence ace, and then we have A, C, E, and some things. So we have A, we have C, and we have E over here. So we iterate over the indexes. So S index equals 0, T index equals 0. Let me just put types, it's an integer. It will always be an integer. So while S index is smaller than the length of S and T index is smaller than the length of T, we do stuff, and if everything works out, we return true. So what we can say is, no, actually, we don't return true. Return T index is equal to length of T minus 1. That's what we return. So if we reach all the way to the end, if we reach all the way to the end of string T and we find matches, then it's a success. If not, it fails. So we check if S of S index is equal to T of T index, then T index plus equals 1, we move it forward. And we're always moving the S index forward. Let's just, no, S is the subsequence, T is the main sequence, so it's the opposite thing. So let me just run the debugger. And you probably didn't see this. It's A, C, E over here. So we start with indexes 0, and we're just going to go over the first one, S of 0 and T of 0. They're the same, so S moves forward. T also moves forward. Now we're looking for C, because it's S of 1. Now we're looking for a C. And do we find it? Yes, we find it when the T index is 9. It's over here. And now we're looking for an E. And do we find it? Yes, we find it when the index is 18. So at this moment, while, and the condition will break because T s index is 3, which is already bigger or equal than the length of s. So we return if s index equals length of t, which is true. And now I'm just going to paste this and submit. I was pretty convinced this would be good. ABC T, the output is false, is expected to be true. Why is this false? Oh. Length of index equals length of s. Sorry. It was because I was thinking the opposite way. Okay, good. I'm happy with the solution, though the scores are pretty good. Hope you guys enjoyed it.